Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment e-business week 9 assignment 9. So the first question is, what do web crawlers do? So these are the option, and the answer of our first question is C. Download contents from various websites and index them. Now the second question is, where is the access log file stored? So these are the option: in the web server, in the client's browser, in the proxy server, in the name server. So let's check the answer of our second question. Server log files access log. So the answer of our second question is A, in the web server. Now the third question is, web usage. Mining is the process of discovering the interesting pattern from. So these are the option: customer blogs, robot.txt, the website, the access log. So the answer of third question, let's check. So question third, the key is to use the user click stream data for many mining purpose. Traditionally, web usage mining is used by e-commerce sites to organize their sites and to increase profits. So the answer of our third question is D, the access log. Now the fourth question is, during access log analysis, path completion is a task which follows sessionization. The purpose of path completion is to fill up the missing links due to caching in a user session. Which of the following information is used by a typical path completion heuristic? So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, path completion refers to the problem of inferring missing user reference due to caching. Effective path completion requires extensive knowledge of the link structure within the site. Referrer information in server log can also be used in disambiguation. The inferred path problem gets much more complicated in frame-based sites. So the answer of our fourth question is D, all of the above. Now the fifth question is time-oriented sessionization heuristic assume. So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C. The page stay time must not exceed a maximum set limit. Now the sixth question is, what is page view? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question, let's check. So question sixth, page view a request for a file whose type is defined as a page. So the answer of our sixth question is B. Now the seventh question is, any website can use the online log analysis software Google Analytics if. So these are the option, and the answer of our seventh question is A. The page tagging information is added to every page of the website. Now the eighth question is association rule. Mining in the context of web log analysis can discover dash relationship. So these are the option: co-occurrence, casual, sequential, similarity. So the answer of our eighth question is A. Now, the ninth question is, cross-selling of products can be enhanced through web usage mining by. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question ninth, cross-selling of products, mapping of web pages, objects to products, discovery of associated products, association rules, sequence mining, placement of associated products on the same page. So the answer of our ninth question is D, all of the above. Now the tenth question is, the dynamic part of a customer behavior model graph represented by a transition probability matrix. The sum of all the element in each row is. So these are the option, and now let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, you can see that calculate probability 1. So the answer of our 10th question is B, 1. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.